Yung pinakamalaki na kankalo dyan, that's gonna be Yap. Yap. Very special player ng Kankalo. Imagine, I wonder ano yung training na inabot nitong si Ace kay Coach Carlo. Because Ace was playing very different from those guys. Ace ulit. Kaso, hindi yung assist niya, oh. Kay Yap. It seems like nobody wanna defend this guy. Because they know, sasabit ka lang eh. So, total domination is a 50-point lead. Garan pulls it up. Nope. Ito na naman si Yap. He recovers again. Si Tambong naman sasali. Bang! Yung ating comms headset. Wireless headset. Oh, Yap wanna fly by. Pulls it up. It's good. That's gonna end our third quarter here. What a lead. 57. Kabayan man kami ng block sa ere ng volleyball days. Nakakasabay. And we are able to receive those strong spikes, no? So kahit fourth personal foul na, itong si Ace still keeps on doing points for Kankalo para maiangat niyang kalamangan pa. Sobrang layo na nito eh. The AG Sports Apparel, Eastprint Clothing at ang Harvest Time, Philippines, or H-Town again. Nalapit po sa MOA, mga taga-Pasay. Garan again. Ace will feed the big man. Sabit! And one para kay Yap. What a nice assist. How about that assist from Garano? Bounce pass to Yap. Oh, and one.